Few minutes later. Okay guys, ayun na guys. Hinahanap ko na guys. Ganda guys. Ang ganda talaga. May pera. Meron pa yatang pera. Meron pa? Wala. Kita nyo to guys. Guys. Huwag ko to sa chinelas ko. Guys. At saka yun lang ata guys. Wala na yata guys. Kamay ko lang kasi yung pinahukay ko walang panghukay, kaya a few minutes later yung nalagay ko. Wala na guys. Sayang guys.